We demonstrate how to use our newly developed software Auto-CHO for hierarchical and programmable one-part oligosaccharide synthesis. Auto-CHO includes algorithms on expanded building blocks with relative reactivity values predicted through machine learning. The Auto-CHO software provides a valuable guideline for building block selection and a hierarchical blueprint for the multiple one-part synthesis of more complex glycans through fragment composition.
The implications of this technique extend toward therapy of cancers or infectious diseases by carbohydrate-based therapeutics.
Before using Auto-CHO, please make sure the Java runtime environment has been installed in a PC or Mac.
The visual demonstration of the Auto-CHO software manipulation and the relative reactivity value determination experiment will help chemists follow the protocol and proceed with the experiment quickly.
To perform software initialization of the Java runtime environment, go to the Auto-CHO website and download the software according to the operating system. Currently, Auto-CHO supports Windows, Mac OS, and Ubuntu. The latest PDF user guide is provided on the Auto-CHO website. For Windows users, unzip the Auto-CHO windows.zip and double-click on autocho.jar in the Auto-CHO Windows folder to start the program. Input the desired glycan structure. Choose to